Hello, in this video I will show you how to use the game mode in TECNO phones. In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, but the game mode is in all newest TECNO smartphones, so you can use in your TECNO device. So let's start by enabling the game mode. So of course you need to start by choosing the settings. Let's open the list of application, choose settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list, and here you can choose the special function. Let me choose it right here. As you can see, this is the list of intelligent facilities that you can use on your TECNO phone. We are now interested in game mode, so let's choose the game mode. Here you can enable game mode really easily. You can just use the switcher and now the game mode is enabled. So we can show the game assistant panel for a more immersive game experience. If you have enabled the first option and you've got also enabled the game assistant panel, you can use it on your games. So let's test it. Let's open some game. In my case it could be Subway Surf, and here in that corner in the left side you can open the following menu, and here for example you can read the CPU usage, the GPU usage, you can read some network information, some statistics about your FPS. It could be really useful if you are using some game that it's really worth to checking the usage. So that's it. Let's also go back to the settings to show some more settings about your game mode. You can here choose the game data. So here you can read the information about your playing time. You can read the duration statistics from the 7 days, or you can also choose some graphics statistics right here. You can share the data with your friends. You can also go back here and choose the message notification method. It could be really useful. For example, you can hide notifications to don't get disrupted while using the game. You can also use the barrage notification. As you can see here, we've got the example. In my case, let me enable this barrage notification. It's really useful to have some notifications like here. You can also use the game anti-addiction. So for example, you can choose the game duration. You can also use some health reminder. So after 2 hours of non-stop playing or 4 hours of accumulating gaming, you will see some health reminder. So let me set it up. You can also here choose the graphic enhancement, and you can choose the style of your enhancement. In my case it's classic, but you can choose colorful, soft, or realistic. In my case, let me use realistic. And here you can also choose the game management. So you can select a game from the following list in which the game mode will work. In most cases the phone will automatically detect games from your apps, but you can check if this list is correct. In my case it's not exactly correct because I would like to use the game mode in Subway Surf but also in Headball 2. So let me enable this app here. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.